Hello, friends. It's great to be back with you again. Let us see what Samartha Ramdas Swami has said in his 142nd shloka. कळेना 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 ढळेना ढळे संशयो हि ढळेना गळेना गळेना अहंता गळेना बळे आकळेना मिळेना मिळेना. No matter what we do, we cannot understand the truth ourselves. We will keep having doubts in our minds. We are not able to drop our ego. If we try forcefully, neither we will find nor we will grasp the eternal truth. Samartha Ramdas Swami is summarizing again what he said in last few shlokas. If we do not find a guru who can guide us, or if we think that we can understand the eternal truth on our own, we will never be able to understand it. We can try every possible way on our own, and we might think we have understood it, but in reality, that will be an illusion. Even the Vedas describe it as neti neti, meaning neither this nor that. Whenever we will think we have understood the supreme reality, we need to refer to this, and that will tell us that it was only an illusion. When that happens, we start getting doubts in our minds. Those doubts will never go away, no matter how hard we try. Once there is a doubt in the mind, then it will create a lot of questions again. On top of that, we are not able to get rid of our ego. The ego will then make us believe that we have found the age old treasure, and we might start taking pride in it, or it will prevent us from even trying to get to know it. But that which is forcefully driven into our minds is not going to help us find it or grasp it. Many of us might recollect at least some occasions during our educational years wherein we tried to forcefully remember crucial knowledge just before the examinations, literally by cramming it. In some cases, that might have helped us in writing the correct answers in the examinations and getting some good marks for it. But within few days after the exam, we probably completely forgot it. In majority of the cases, even if we remember the words after few weeks, we never really grasped the information and understood the concepts in real sense. In the same way, if we forcefully try to convince ourselves that we know the eternal truth, we have hardly grasped the essence of it. We are limited by the worldly knowledge and what we can see, hear, smell, touch, and taste. We have images of our deities as we see them in the temples, pictures, and movies. But those are the avatars in the human form. The supreme reality is formless, infinite, was always there, and will always be there. Nothing we come across in our entire life fits in these criteria. Hence, it is tough for us to even imagine. We need a guru, a spiritual expert, a saint, a swami to provide that insight to us. Friends, if you liked this explanation, feel free to provide your comments and do like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel A Dialogue with Our Mind. जय जय रघुवीर समर्थ